Good?
Yeah, we're good. We're about to start our hike. We're starting on the Red Trail, which is the Warsaw Trail. What? We're at Autrey Mill Nature Preserve and Heritage Center. It's very nice outside today.
Let's go.
What? I thought I did okay.
Yeah. So let's go Warsaw Trail.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, they do have a visitor center.
Oh, listen to the goats. They have goats. Hiking trail?
Yeah.
Really go pop in my stomach.
Oh. Let's see.
We're at the top of the green one right now. That's what it says.
Oh, it's good.
Whee!
Don't really want to step on grass here. So it's very small actually. I guess we can start from the green then. Warsaw Trail Connector. And what is it called?
Warsaw?
The Green Store Delco Light Plant.
What?
Green
Store. Maybe that's the green store?
Maybe.
That's ahead?
That's
I want to get on the swing.
Is it lake? That's lake,
I
right?
think so.
Yeah.
This is the church.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's any information about it. Do you think it's still in service? Do people still go there?
Maybe.
It looks very small. Upper pavilion and restrooms. I'm gonna go read about it.
Huh? Oh. I'm pretty sure this is the trail. Oh.
Please borrow and return.
Yeah, we'll return. I don't want to take this. Do they have any map? Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the trail. Or not.
I think you're right. I'm sure this is very nice in the summer too.
Yeah.
What's your stuff? What's a squirrel?
Yeah, we're in trail. Yeah, lots of squirrel. These might be just private houses.
Don't start with me. This one is.
Yep. Oh, wait, there's a bridge.
What?
Bridge.
Oh. Left or right? This way, I guess?
Let's see what it says.
Looks like there used to be a stream down there and it dried up a little bit.
Yeah.
Probably fills up during the spring. To Outer Loop and then to Creekside.
Let's see. I guess outer loop.
Outer Loop?
Yeah. Let's go check the bridge though. Yeah, this is a stream, right?
It's empty.
Yeah, nothing special.
What? So no?
No. We'll go to
This one to Creekside?
yeah. Parking. Yeah. Why?
Oh, it does still have water in it.
Do you think it'll be cold?
Hmm?
Do you think it's cold?
The water?
Yeah.
For sure. It's cold out here. Well, it's not that cold. I'm cold though.
It's too. Oh, there's a more stream.
You wanna go for a swim?
Oh, let's touch the water. To creek.
Creek. And then this is Creekside out and back. So probably back to the parking space.
Okay.
Go down there.
Let's go here.
He's a cute dog. His name is Rocky.
look like my old dog.
He's cute.
Is yours, guys, this
Stay in the
wallet?
trail. No.
This is trail.
Yeah, but like you're getting into the grass. I'm scared. Making me nervous.
It's cold.
Yeah.
But it's manageable cold. Let's go.
I'm looking to see if I see any fish.
Oh, here?
Yeah. Okay, good. You're not going. I don't see anything. Is that one steady?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. see?
Imagine
Mean.
brown bears chasing.
Hell no. Hell no. Very pretty.
Oh.
Oh.
Red maple.
Don't hit the tree.
Maple trail? Oh, baby. Watch out.
There's such a big stream of water. I don't know if we can make it. Are you gonna jump for it? I can't believe how close we are to people's backyards.
Yeah.
I guess this is like probably where they come. Enjoy some outdoors. Snap.
What is this thing called?
Pine cone.
Yeah, pine cone. Yeah.
What about pine cones?
I forgot what this was called in Korea. I used to live in like middle of nowhere
Yeah.
growing up. We had so many like let me look up. Chestnut?
Chestnut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we literally like there's so many like chestnut on the ground.
Mhm.
So we literally pick it up and then make yeah, eat them.
I used to love chestnuts. Stupid.
Alright, time to cross.
I don't think we were allowed to do that. That seems also very unsafe. You didn't call me, you're not allowed to go that way.
I think no more trail at this point.
Yeah, we gotta turn around. There is no more trail. Look, there's too much mud.
Yeah.
So you have to turn around.
Cool bear.
No. Probably squirrel.
You're so strong. Look at you go. Whoa.
Gotta do the jump again.
We're walking on rocks.
Go jump first.
Oh, come on.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing. Is this where we came from?
Yeah. That way?
Oh, we came from.
We came from straight ahead.
Okay.
This is like rocky.
Oh, we came from there.
Yeah. This rock.
He's gonna be mad at you.
I'm not really not using it as you.
How you doing? I guess this way?
Yeah.
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 Or we can go this way.
Yeah, and fall. You
Get
have like
close to
goosebump
me.
guy.
Is Goop still here?
Yes. I have so much goosebump in my stomach. It was so yummy.
What did the coworker say?
Oh, just that I was gonna be doing bus duty tomorrow
Okay.
with a different coworker.
Okay.
She has something to do tomorrow after school.
Okay. I guess. What does it say? Inner?
Outer loop. Both are outer loop.
Outer loop? You can try this way.
Okay.
We went to Denver last spring break, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Well, how long were we there? Were we there the whole week?
No, I think it's like
Half the week, is it?
3 days, 4 days.
Yeah.
2 days ski.
Yeah,
One-
we did 2 days ski too. No, I think we did 1 day out not skiing.
So I watched some diving video last night.
Mhm.
So like people challenge and go like super deep ocean.
Yeah. Crazy.
Guess how much time you have to stay in the water if you go down to like 240 meters down?
How long? Like 4 hours?
Like 10 hours.
10
10 plus hours.
My God.
Because you know it.
Yeah,
the-
the elevation.
Yeah,
Elevation.
the
changes.
bubbles.
Yeah. That's crazy. I couldn't do it.
And the reason why the deep sea fish,
Yeah.
when we catch them, it looks so ugly, is because of the
Elevation.
pressure.
That pressure change.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So like one guy was trying to retrieve his friend's body
Yeah.
who died in 120 meters down. He decided to come up very slowly, like
Oh, it's a fucking statue.
I think it's real.
No, it's a picture. I was so excited. I thought it was a real deer.
Whoa!
It's not real. I was so excited. Continue. Tell me. So then he tried to come up slowly and then?
So he decided to take about like 9 hours to come up with the body so that the body is not like crushed.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy.
As much as I love diving, I think we should just stay below 30.
Me too. I agree.
I heard like I saw the video basically explained that the damage to your body is gonna be gradually basically a composite.
Yeah.
So you eventually you have some problems.
Yeah. That's crazy.
And some like there's some crazy job
Yeah.
like a few hundred meters down there. They do like
Welding.
welding and stuff.
Yeah.
They have their special equipment.
Yeah.
But for like 20 something days, they stay under like 100 meters. They have like a barrack, like
Yeah.
specialized room
To
for
be
them to
under
stay. And they put on their gear. They go like much under down to do welding and stuff.
Yeah.
They make a lot of money, like $1,200 a
crazy
day.
money. Yeah.
But like eventually your body's,
Go through that.
your joint and everything
Yeah.
have a pressure.
I want to see the poster and then we can.
Okay.
Go there.
So eventually when they're old, they have all sort of damage,
Yeah.
including like hearing loss and like some problem with lung.
That makes sense. How big are you?
5'7".
No, I know, but like arm span. Let me see.
I have no idea.
Go close to it. Go close to it. Wow, you're the great blue heron. 6'1" for your arm width.
Go. Korean one.
The green one?
Canadian goose.
No way. I guess that makes sense. I am 5'2". Disappointed. I thought I was gonna get the blue hair, and I even stood taller. So, I need to be taller.
Oh, so like next week, there's what's it called?
Maybe we'll see.
Remember the diving, the random like Sunday
Yeah.
they do meetup stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have one in the Mammoth Lake.
Ooh, cool.
So I think we can like visit the shop and
Ask
what's
about it.
what's going on.
Okay.
Probably we can meet up Monday tomorrow. But Mammoth Lake is so dark.
It is really dark. The visibility is not great. No.
But I think it was free,
Yeah.
right?
If it's free, that sounds good.
Yeah.
I like free.
Yeah. In like April, they go one by Huntsville.
Yeah.
I forgot which lake it was.
There's lots of cool places in Huntsville.
Yeah.
There's a diving place, not a diving place, a swimming pool, not swimming pool, swimming hole? I don't know what to call it. Like natural body of water that you can swim
Yeah.
in Huntsville that I want us to go to.
Hmm.
I can't remember the name right now. I think it was Hamilton something.
Yeah.
I don't remember. It was something with an H. It wasn't Huntsville though.
Mm. So yeah, let's go to dive shop on Monday. Is that scrub?
Mm-hmm. Stick.
Mm.
Keep looking for animals, hoping to see something like a deer. Even birds. Too. I hear them, but I don't see them.
All the way.
I need the top of the trees. Look at the sun already.
Mm. Let's get some water. Drink some water there. Is this still going on?
I think so. Yeah.
Let's see. I think I can check the stats with the GoPro. Yeah. Yeah, have a 44%. I've been recording for 30 minutes.
You've been on for 30 minutes.
Huh?
He's so cute. He's like a big cloud. harder.
How you doing?
He's actually friendlier than a shark.
Oh, there's a trail.
There's a
Let's
what?
get the trail.
Lower pavilion.
Here?
This is we're in the lower pavilion.
Okay. Right, there's somewhere.
Thank you. Lower pavilion.
Okay. So we're all the way. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just go that way.
He has 3 legs.
Hmm?
He has 3 legs.
3 legs? The dog?
Yeah.
Are you still
Did they-
recording? Oh yeah.
Did they say how long high dip is Mammoth Lake?
I think it was 30 feet was the lowest we were gonna go.
30 feet. So it's
Yeah.
like 30. 9 only 9 meters. So 30 meters like 3 times longer than that.
Hmm.
6 to 7 feet, 70 feet.
Mm-hmm.
Probably your dive log will tell how long.
We only went down to 30 feet.
30 feet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 18 meters.
And most of the common areas are about 30 to 44.
Okay.
And keep going?
Yeah. And also like I watched a video like
Yeah. You
how-
had a diving kick last night. Continue, tell me.
so like
You watched a video
one of
about
the
what?
great dive master
Uh-huh.
who basically wrote a theory, like whatever he wrote down, like what to do, what not to do, how to
Yeah.
do, like that stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's basically become the guideline for the cave diving. Cave diving is like a ultimate, I guess, the extreme difficulty,
Yeah.
because once you go to the cave,
Yeah.
visibility is like crazy,
Yeah.
like 30 centimeter, which is like this.
Yeah.
You don't have any visibility,
That's
and you
crazy.
have to rely on yourself with the guideline, which is like a rope or something.
Yeah, no. That's crazy.
So
People that do that are nuts.
yeah, he was
very brave, but
uh-huh.
very crazy. Continue.
he was the one that I think it was South Africa has like a sinkhole,
Yeah.
but the deep downside is like 300 meters, something like that.
Oh my god.
So him and his buddy, but the other guys are like really good at like diving too.
Yeah.
Like them two considered as like the greatest of all time.
Oh,
And it was like back in 1960 or something like that.
absolutely not.
Back then, like I
Yeah.
guess they don't. I guess right now, because when you go down,
Yeah.
you cannot use the same tank because of the pressure, because how the lung takes the helium and the other components it takes is whatever you take, like right now in here is completely different down there.
Yeah.
So like in that deep down there, you have to put more helium and some other components. I forget what it's
Yeah,
called.
the nitrox.
Nitron,
nitrox,
yeah, nitrox, yeah. So they literally study what kind of mixed components is the best in there, and apparently it turned out that it wasn't the best fit for the environment.
Yeah.
So that's why they managed to went all the way to 270 something, but their goal was like 330 meters, something like that. So at 240 or 270, one of the guy, he thought that he's about to get one of the sickness.
bend.
Yeah, from the nitrogen.
Yeah.
I forget exactly what it was called.
Nitrous poison.
Yeah,
Nitrous-
yeah, exactly
nitrous-
that.
I think it's just nitrous sickness.
But the other guy,
Yeah.
he naturally he has a stronger strength of
Yeah.
the poison,
Yeah.
because the way he found out that because he was doing another deep diving with other two dive buddies.
Yeah.
The other two buddies literally like died
What the fuck?
because it was so deep that
Yeah.
that the
The
toxic
thing was too much.
yeah,
Yeah.
it built up so strong that they passed away. That's how he found out that he has a stronger
Yeah.
tolerance of it. So anyway, them two were dive buddy trying to reach the goal, and like 240 270, almost close to the end, not almost, but like 70% of the whole route.
Yeah.
He thought that he knew that if he goes down more, then he knew that he was gonna die. But he saw that his body kept going down,
Yeah.
so he decided to go just a little more.
Yeah.
But I think it was about 240 that he felt that he was in danger.
Yeah.
But 270, he literally had to give up, and he had to go up. So outside, it was like a challenge, everybody knew about it.
Yeah.
So like the documentary director, movie film director, like all the news reporter were there, and then there's a safety people, like scientists, all there just watching them. And the way they found that they're still alive is the bubble. So supposedly like bubble should come up every 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh,
To parking.
okay.
You take that one.
Do you think that's the road?
That's the main road, yeah.
Okay.
But this one goes to where we were at the beginning.
Yeah. So every 15 minutes, it kept coming up, but at some point,
Yeah.
not the guy who stopped, but the guy who kept going down, he stopped. So they knew that something was wrong.
Yeah.
And by the time he reached the 270 meters, he
Yeah.
was going up.
Huh.
But what is crazy is that because they have to come up slowly, they were literally hanging multiple oxygen tank each level, like multiple, like 10 hours long, like 20 hours long of the oxygen tank. So he kept switching, stay still, adjust his level of the lung,
Yeah.
going up, and eventually at the like 30 meter, the rescue team came down and they met. So
Oh my God.
they kind of communicate, okay, I don't think he didn't make it.
Yeah.
So since he has to stay long hours to adjust the level,
Yeah.
the rescue team, I think they tried to reach all the way to 120,
Yeah.
but they couldn't find the body.
Oh my God.
So everyone just left the guy, the diver guy, he came back to the surface, and then they were trying to see how they can rescue him.
Yeah.
So first they take out the rope that hangs the oxygen tank, and when they pulled it out all the way, his body was basically,
He was dead?
yeah, he was dead. He knew that he was gonna dead, and he knew that retrieving his body is gonna be extremely difficult. So the last moment, yeah, he tied himself to the rope, yeah. But the guy who died is considered as the greatest diver in the history. So like
You're not allowed to die.
I'm hearing about all this crazy story. Like even at the 30 meters, if you go like 30 meters,
Yeah.
like you stay for a while in the surface. In the water to
Yeah.
adjust yourself. So I think that's my limit. I'm not gonna go more than 30 meters. And that's the end of the recreational dive.
Okay.
Yeah.
getting dark. Right?
Dark?
Yeah, it's darker.
Yeah, just cloud. Oh,
Really big bumblebee. They don't sting people.
oh,
They're really big.
is that a bumblebee?
Yeah.
Did we come this way?
We did. We go this way now.
Okay. Oh yeah, the house.
Mm-hmm. Was that there earlier?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we went over the bridge.
Mm. Bubble. Is good Bob still there?
A little bit.
Oh, I'm gonna tie my shoe. Real quick. Let's see. Any sign?
Those are the walking
Oh,
sticks.
Miller's Trail.
Yeah, we just did the whole thing.
Yeah. I thought it was called something. Okay, so we did Miller's Trail.
We did that one and the extension up at the top.
Okay.
I think the only one we weren't able to do is the bottom one because it was closed.
Oh, okay.
So now guess what time it is? Time to go look at those chickens. And those goats. And the rabbits. Because they have rabbits too.
Rabbit soup.
No, not rabbit soup.
Oh.
This is the visitor center.
Okay.
I want to see it. They have a turtle.
Oh.
I see turtle. There's a 4. What did it say? We're good.
Yeah.
Tortoise. Oh, Pebbles. Hello, Pebbles. It's nice to meet you, buddy. You are huge. African spurred tortoise. Third largest species of tortoise. He can weigh 200 pounds. And he can live to be 80 to 100 years old. He's almost as old as you. You didn't hear me. Found a monkey. I found one monkey. You found a few more monkeys. My name is Peggy. Nice to meet you. Murphy? Murphy is what? Oh, it's salamander.
Hello. I'm gonna let me know if you got any questions.
Yes, sir.
Get those flippers. Get those flippers. So please. So these bigger ones, that's the chub. The stud fish is the one with the polka dots. And then the stripy one is the black banded darter. Or the yellowfish. Can't tell, honestly. You okay? And so all different animals that can live in like those streams that we saw outside too. So they can have crayfish too. Crawfish. Can we keep going?
Yeah.
Guys, come over here. Come over here. Oh, that's weird. It's weird. It's like my name is.
Should we get one of these?
Nope.
Look at that. My name is what? What is a box turtle?
Be all set, baby.
What?
I'll be all set.
You don't want to keep looking at the animal?
I'm sweating.
Okay.
But it's fine.
It's so fast.
Take your time, okay?
It's like, look at the turtle.
Okay.
I see it.
I'm by the entrance that we came in. I see, honey.
I'm talking to them. Look at them. These are silky chickens.
So fat.
That one is a silky. I don't know what the other one is. They might. They're so cute. I want chickens. I want to have pet chickens.
To eat them.
Yeah, and also to keep them. Where are the goats? I was told there would be
Must
goats.
be here.
Oh, let's go. Let's go look for goats.
Chickens! Chickens! Amelia, they're over here. Oh, she's chickens. Do you want to go to the butterfly garden after? Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh my God, please lay down. Oh, chicken. Chicken.
So we're not allowed to touch the goats or the
Yeah.
chickens. No, but they're here. What is goat?
Yamso.
Huh?
Yamso.
Yomsol?
Uh-huh.
They're very cute.
Oh, they're right there.
So, no
There's one out there too.
Kyoa?
Hmm? They're not cute.
They are. You just hate fun. Look at him. Her, them. I don't know what they are. Very cute. Look at those ears. So handsome. And then that's the butterfly garden. Are we allowed to go in there?
I think so.
Pollinator garden. Girl Scouts.
I don't think you know. Look at his smile. You're on camera. His words are all. No, but.
Provide full life cycle of butterflies. So I guess it has the plants, different places for them to nest too.
Yeah.
Dear friends, the fairies need your help. Can you put pine cones in this bucket?
Mm.
I think it's just so that way they don't have to clean as much.
Free labor.
Yeah. It works though, right? What is this? Butterfly garden greenhouse. Oh, it's like where they keep extra plants that need extra warmth. That makes sense. What are you looking at?
Hmm?
Huh.
That's not lake.
What is it?
Reservoir.
Reservoir?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's a government facilities there.
lame. I thought it was a lake. I thought this park would be a lot bigger. It's been beautiful. I like it.
Yeah. Small little park.
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Yeah, it's like like probably like 5 minutes it'll die. I have one more battery though.
Mm.
But I think that's it. I think I got everything I need in here.
Mm.
Almost 60 minutes. I'll just turn it up now.
Mm.